Before we begin, take a moment to settle into a position that feels comfortable for you. If it feels okay, you might allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze. And if at any point you prefer to open your eyes and adjust your position, you're welcome to do so. Begin by noticing your breath. There's no need to change it. Simply observe the natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. As you sit here, you might reflect on the idea that our experiences can offer us a window into our relationship with ourselves. Not a single definition, not one fixed story, but something layered, shifting, and human. You may notice that your hopes, dreams, assumptions, and biases are not static. They change over time, influenced by experiences, thoughts, and emotions. There's no need to judge this, just to notice it with openness. If it feels right, gently bring your mind to the idea of curiosity. Curiosity does not demand answers. It simply allows space to wonder. You might ask yourself, what have my experiences been like? And allow whatever arises to be there, without forcing it away or pulling it closer. Now, alongside curiosity, you may choose to invite compassion. Compassion acknowledges that relating to others and to ourselves can be complex. If you notice difficult thoughts or emotions, you might experiment with holding them with kindness, as you would for someone you care about. As you continue, you may reflect on connection, the way you relate to yourself, to others, and to the wider world. At times, connection can open the door to care, curiosity, or compassion. At other times, it can feel challenging or even distant. Both experiences are part of being human. You might also bring awareness to care. Care for your own experience in this moment. Care that recognizes your strengths, even if they're not always visible to you. This is not about self-focus at the expense of others, but about creating understanding, a foundation that can support deeper and more authentic relationships. As you sit with these ideas, you may wish to acknowledge the effort it takes to look inward, to reflect honestly, to approach yourself with kindness. That willingness itself can be seen as a form of quiet courage. There's nothing you need to achieve here, nothing you need to resolve. Simply allowing yourself to notice, to reflect, and to be present. When you're ready, begin to bring your attention back to the room around you. Noticing sounds, noticing the support beneath you, and returning to your breath. As you open your eyes or lift your gaze, you might carry with you a gentle recognition of your own strength and the courage it takes to engage in self-awareness, just one moment at a time.